All right, class. I'm out today. I'm going to give you some editing tips for your news package editing activity. Go ahead and get started here. This is also a good tutorial if you want the sub to help you. So, right here we have the assignment. It's an individual assignment. You're going to have to do your own work. We started last class. Um, this is due at the end of class. If you're not finished, please submit at least a screenshot of your work. So you're going to have to turn in a folder. Um, that has multiple video tracks, at least 10 clips of B roll on your uh, track, clips for text. Well, we didn't talk about that too much in class, so maybe don't worry about the text too much, and audio editing. So let's dive right into it. I have an open project. Okay, so this is my Premiere Pro workspace. Um, I start off with the reporter, same intro that the newscast had.
The range better.
From there, I go into one interview. Remember, you have to have at least two people interviewed. Um, and some of the clips, like this one here, have a lot of B-roll on them. And what I saw a lot of students doing was, let's go to workspaces here. There we go, editing. Um, need to clear the in and out. There we go. Okay, clear in and out. All right, so I see people dragging this down here, and then it takes a lot of work to go in and find, go and use the razor blade, cut a little bit out of this. So let's just edit from over here from the source window. Let's just say I want this street, and I don't want that cut in there. So I'm going to go to this part right here. I'm going to click the I or this button right here, and then I'm going to move it forward and then back a little bit, and then I'm going to click the O. So mark in and mark out, and when I drag this, it just drags that one little bit of it. All right, what if I just want the video? I can click this little icon here, and it'll just drag the video, and I'll put it on the B-roll part, and that way I don't have to worry about it overriding any sound. Okay, what if I just want the audio part of it? What if it's cars coming by and I want some natural sound underneath to put under the track there? So I can click the sound part of it and put it down under here by grabbing the little waveform symbol here. Drag audio only, drag video only. So that's a tip I got for you. When I grade you, I'm going to look at your timeline. I'm going to look for this clip here to be in the front, that clip there to be in the back. I'm going to look for interviews to only be on the video one track, interviews to be on the video one track, B-roll to be on the video two, any text to be on video three or higher, and the things that sound bites that you get from people should make sense when you listen to the news story and answer the 5 W's: the who, what, when, where, and how. And if you want to grab more interviews and put them in there, you are free to have more than 2 people on there. Thank you. Good luck.